Let's talk about objectives of cold calls. Now, this is where people often go wrong, is that there's an assumption that the objective of a cold call is to book a demo. Couldn't disagree more. Actually, that's an outcome, and that's a byproduct of doing the right things. Ideally, what we're trying to do on that initial cold call is find pain, or find a problem, or find a piece of opportunity that we can offer the customer. If you get that part right, the demonstration becomes a prescription, something that you offer to the customer once you've found that pain. Now, shifting your mentality from booking a demo to finding pain does something very, very interesting. First of all, the quality of the demonstrations that you then book are much higher. You'll notice that the turn-up rate is much higher as well, because the people who are actually attending your demos are there to see how you're going to help them with a specific problem or help them overcome a certain pain. Booking a demo is really, really easy. If you called a friend or a family member now and said, can you set a demo? I'm sure they'd agree to do it. The problem is that that's not going to eventuate into a sale or into contracted business. So just by making that short shift in mindset of, I'm not going to call to book a demo, I'm going to call to learn about their pains, problems, business initiatives or challenges. All of a sudden, we approach it in a different way and we get a much better, more qualified outcome. When we think about the medic process, what we're aiming to do in the cold call of the medic process is ideally the M and the I. We want to understand an identified pain. So by the time they turn up, they know what the problem your product can solve. Second of all, is we ideally want to find some metrics associated with that pain as well. So by the time they turn up, we know what their pain is and we've quantified their pain to a degree. Remember, change your mindset. It's not about booking a demo, it's about finding pain. The demo then becomes the obvious prescription.